So this is my mini succulent update after I don't know how many months. I'll have to check that. But so this one I lost. I think it might be because the roots were not hearty, like they weren't long and the roots just didn't seem to grow. So I think that's why I lost that. That shriveled up a little while ago. I just left it in there because I didn't have anything else to put in there. And then this one is the one that lost a couple of leaves after I repotted it because I think I uh, watered it, overwatered it. And so these outer leaves were very small, and now you see they've grown large. And as well as these two outer leaves, they were the same size as those inner leaves. So that one is actually growing. But then this one, it's pretty much the same. This middle one here, it hasn't grown anymore. It hasn't lost any leaves, but it's just staying the same. I guess maybe the root system is not growing. I don't know, but it's not dying, so that's a good thing. And then this one is the one that I initially lost leaves after I first got them because I overwatered it when I first got them. That's like almost 2 years ago now, I think, or is it almost 1 year ago? I'm losing track of time, but anyway, um, so this hasn't lost any more since then, but it hasn't grown any either. So I don't know what's up with that. And then these are the other two that I didn't repot because I didn't have enough soil for one of them to put into this pot. And then the other one, I wouldn't have had a pot. But now that the one has died, I was going to buy another mini succulent to replace that one. But instead, I can just put one of these in that one. Well, change out the soil and the other in there. So I don't think I'll buy another one unless I decide to replace this one that doesn't seem to be regrowing any leaves. So this is my mini succulent update. They're still standing. I haven't killed them all. I only killed one. So I think that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 out of 6. I think that's a pretty good stat. I only killed one. Bye. And so I forgot to mention, to point out the fact that I got rid of all that white perlite that I put in the top by mistake, because I thought you were supposed to mix it in the soil and layer it on the top, but it was really pea gravel. So I have replaced that white perlite with pea gravel, and I actually bought that pea gravel for my sandbags that I use to weight down my light stands when I'm outside, because if it's slightly breezy and I have my large diffuser on it, it will just topple over in the wind. So that's why I actually bought the pea gravel, but it serves two purposes. So yeah, bye.